Hello and welcome to the tutorial on user settings for the Diabetes Free University portal. The user settings are your profile settings, and there are two different ways that you are able to navigate to the profile interface. The first is by going to the tracking button on the green navigational bar at the upper left-hand corner of your screen. And by clicking on the tracking button, you're able to see the user information panel that is in the middle here. And then by clicking on that, you will go to the interface for the user information. Now, the other way to navigate to the user settings is to go up into the upper right-hand corner here to the profile button and click on that. Both ways will take you to the same interface, and that's the update information page. This allows you to input your personal information, your first name, middle name, last name, your birth date, your email. And this allows the system to identify you, and it also allows us to communicate with you individually. Now, you also can choose a screen name and select a profile picture. And I would recommend that if you want to remain anonymous in the system, that you choose a screen name that does not identify you, and that you also choose a profile picture that is not of you, maybe an avatar or some type of representation. But if you don't care, then that's fine. You can use your own personal profile picture, and you can use a screen name that does indicate who you are. But again, if you want to remain anonymous, you are able to do that. Once you finish all of that, you can come down here and hit the update button, and all of the information that you change or you input will be saved into the program. You're also able to go here to the user location tab and click on that and edit your user location settings, so you're able to input your address, your city, your state, and your zip code. And that, again, that's a way for us to identify you in the system and identify where you are located. Now, the last interface that we want to look at is the user information interface, and this is really just a summary of the information that you have put into the update fields. This is going to list your name, your screen name, your birth date, and your email. This is just kind of a catch-all so you can see if the information is correct. Now, the user settings is an interface that you really shouldn't have to mess with very much. You shouldn't have to come back here, but you do want to make sure that your information remains up to date. If you change your email or your SMS address, then please come in and make those adjustments so that we are able to communicate with you without any disruption of getting emails or anything like that.